Okay, so in last session I am discussing about the Los Angeles abrasion uh, testing. So basically, the Los Angeles abrasion test is a common test method used to indicate aggregate toughness and abrasion characteristic. Aggregate abrasion characteristics are important because the constituents aggregate in HMA must resist crushing, degradation, and disintegration in order to produce a high quality HMA. So basically, the standard Los Angeles abrasion test subjected a coarse aggregate sample written on the number 12, that means 1.70 mm sieve to abrasion, impact, and grinding in a rotating steel drum containing a specified number of steel spheres. So if you all see, if you all see, if you all see, this is our this is our double abrasion testing machine. So here, if you see, is written double abrasion testing machine. So I already say the hardness of aggregate will be found by using Los Angeles abrasion testing machine, double abrasion testing machine, and also double attrition testing machine. So basically, this machine is used to find the hardness of our aggregate. So this machine consists of two cylindrical mold. Here, one cylindrical mold is here. One cylindrical mold is seen here. This is one cylindrical mold. This cylindrical mold, and here also we have another cylindrical mold. So this machine is electrically operated. So this is our double abrasion testing machine. So basically, double abrasion test is carried out to test the hardness property of aggregate. The principle of Los Angeles abrasion test is to find the percentage wear due to relative rubbing action between the aggregate and steel ball used as abrasive charge. So apparatus required in this test is number one, a weighing balance, and balance should be accurate up to 1 gram. Next, our sieve. So basically sieve required are 80, 63, 50, 40, 25, 20, 12, 5, 10, 6.3, 4.75 as per gradation of aggregate and 1.75 mm. Next is this Los Angeles abrasion testing machine. But this machine is our double abrasion testing machine. Here you see this is our double abrasion testing machine. So this machine is also used to find our wear and tear or hardness property of our aggregate. Next is our abrasive charge. So abrasive charge will be introduced by our steel ball. So if you all see, just open this drum. So here you all see open this mold. This Los Angeles abrasion testing machine is done by IS 2386 Part 4 1963. Method of test for aggregate for concrete mechanical property. This will be reframed in December 2016. So first we see the abrasive charge which will be introduced by our steel balls. With you see, in it we have a steel balls. So these are the steel balls which will be used in testing of our Los Angeles abrasion value of aggregate. Basically, the diameter of this steel ball is 48 mm. That means 4.8 centimeter, and the bit of this this steel ball is approx 392.445 gram. So what we do, we take this steel ball and put this steel ball into this cylindrical mold. Here in this cylindrical mold, we have also so many steel balls. So what we do, we have first take the aggregate, and gradation of aggregate should be carried out as per the assess the grade of aggregate is from A to G. So what we do, we first take the sieve size. Sieve size is of 80 mm, 63, 50, 40, 25, 20, 12.5, 10, 6.3 and 4.75. So from that we also see the particle which will be passing through 80 mm and retain on the sieve, which will be also arranged in descending order. So first we arrange the sieve which size is more. So 80 mm sieves is placed in top, then 63, then 50, then 40, then 25, then 20, then 12.5, then 10, then 6.3, then 4.75, then 2.6 to 2.36. So basically these are the sieves which will be used in this test. Now what we do, we see how many particles or how much aggregate in weight, also in gram. The weight of our aggregate is in gram, will retain or will passing from that particular gradation of aggregate. Now what we do, we after these things we put all the aggregates, into this cylinder where our steel ball is also present. Generally we take 6 steel ball in or during our testing. So if we put aggregates in these cylindrical molds, then we start this machine. And what happened, this drum start rotating. So this drum start rotating, or when we give a torsional movement in this drum, then what happened, then this aggregate, the aggregate which is present in this mold, will basically get wear and tear due to this steel ball. So if we see the number of or how much our aggregate will get wear and tear due to this steel ball, because if this steel ball present in mold, if this steel ball will present in our mold, then what happen, then our this machine start rotating. If this machine start rotating, then aggregate will also get rotated with these steel balls, and then a rubbing action between our aggregate and also with our steel ball will be started. So if this all process will happen, then what we do, we uh, we the sample, that is our test sample cell, will consist of clean aggregate which has been dried in an oven before testing at 105 to 110 degrees Celsius to substantially consist with and cell conform to one of the grading which I already gave you the grading. Next, the grading or grades used shall be those much nearly representing the aggregate furnishing for the work. Then what we do, the machine shall be so driven so as to counterbalance, as to maintain a substantially uniform peripheral speed. So basically here our the rotation given to this machine is 30 to 33 rpm per minute. So here we give 30 to 33 rpm for this test. So if 30 to 33 rpm is given to this test, then what happen, then this the aggregate which is present in this mold get wear and tear with our steel balls. After wearing and tearing, we take out our aggregates from these cylinders, and then allowed to pass through it from 1.76 mm sieve. So the aggregate which is passing from this 1.76 mm sieve will be taken out as W2, and we find our aggregate Los Angeles abrasion value or aggregate abrasion value. So aggregate abrasion value will be found out as W2 by W1, where W2 is the weight of aggregate which is passing from our 1.76 mmC after rubbing with this cylindrical mold. So basically we perform all the tests. So just wait, I close this. So here our aim is, so basically here basically our aim is to determine the abrasion value of given aggregate sample by conducting Los Angeles abrasion test. Apparatus I already show you. So the apparatus required in this testing is Los Angeles machines with inside diameter 70 centimeters and inside length of 50%. Abrasion charge is also given by our steel ball. Next is our ISC with 1.7 mm opening, being balance of 0.1 gram accuracy. Now, abrasion is a measure. So abrasion is a measure of resistance to wear or hardness. It is essentially property for good road aggregates, especially when used in bearing course. Due to the movement of traffic, the road stones used in the surface course are subjected to bearing action at the top. So basically what we do,